Folks, this is Mike Rochelle, Chief Learning Officer with Mike Rochelle and Associates. And I've been getting a lot of questions about what I'm doing. So I wanted to let you know that my life mission is that I've dedicated my life to helping leaders at all levels accelerate results. I do that at work and in life, at school, and in the community. Question that I have for you from a human and digital transformation solutions and services perspective: how can I help you grow? I've amassed a bunch of associates that I've had life experience with. Ed brought me to Dallas in 2000 and has been my boss twice. He's now my associate for the Good to Great program with Mike Rochelle and Associates. Likewise, Elise Cortez, one of my oldest friends here in Dallas after Ed moved me here, is a PhD and has her own programs, but also can deliver mine. And then I've recently associated with Steve Gandura, who has a phenomenal cultural excellence program. And then Randall Mills, who many of you know as a CEO and CTO, really a pioneer in the hybrid business solutions business, which rounds out human and digital transformation solutions that really take about, most organizations are at 70 to 78% failure for digital transformation, and moves you to the point where, because you're getting engaged employees who are actually trying to solve the problems and implement them with your digital transformation, you'll have 23% more profitability according to Gallup. So thanks, have a great day, and I'll look forward to serving you soon. Bye-bye.